Veseris is proud to feature the Advance Dry110 from Santa Fe Dehumidifiers, designed to deliver unmatched performance in moisture control. This model includes industry-exclusive dual exhaust outlets for maximum drying power and installation flexibility. With onboard digital controls, a terminal block, dew point cutout, and a low-maintenance built-in P-trap, the Advanced Dry110 is engineered for efficiency and reliability. Whether protecting basements, crawl spaces, or attics, Santa Fe continues to set the standard in dehumidification.
The Santa Fe Advance Dry110 Dehumidifier, your key to a healthier, more comfortable home, designed to protect what matters most. The Advance Dry110's industry-exclusive dual exhaust outlets provide maximum drying power and flexible installation. Plus, the space-saving design of the low-maintenance built-in P-trap means no need for risers or hanging the unit. The base of the unit features an industry-exclusive built-in second drain port for a float switch. With patented efficiency capacity coil optimization, eco-technology, the Advanced Dry110 delivers unmatched energy efficiency and powerful dehumidification. Its corrosion-resistant, dual-coated coils are built to last, ensuring your home stays protected for years to come. Take control with onboard digital controls and a terminal block for precise settings tailored to your home. The sleek design of the optional Smart Air RH remote sensor can monitor interior humidity levels anywhere in the home. Compact yet powerful, the Santa Fe Advanced Dry110 measures 14.35 inches by 29 inches by 24 inches, making it a perfect fit for any space. The molded base with integrated handles and channels for the hang kit make installation an ease. And for total confidence, the Advanced Dry110 comes with a 6-year peace-of-mind warranty. Rest easy knowing your investment is protected and your home is in good hands with a product built to last.
Visit Veseris.com and like and subscribe to be notified when new videos are posted.